We will use fill and dilate to remove this outer shell of this wood louse. So let us set the transfer function. Okay, we are happy with the transfer function because we just want to catch the shell. What we are going to do is we are going to tag this shell with certain tag number, say let's call it 1. We will fill that connected region and then we will dilate that and then we will remove it to show the interior, to show the muscles. So the muscles are, let me just cut it. So these are the muscles that we want to show here. These are the muscles. Now in order to show these muscles, we will have to remove this outer shell. This outer shell to show the muscles. Okay, so let's tag this. In order to tag, we will just fill it up. So tag 1 and then press F. Okay, so this has tagged this region here. And now let's go to tag editor. Let's turn this thing off. So we still have the part of the shell which we would like to remove. Now in order to do that, let's just dilate this tag number 1. Extend say 5. Let's see what happens. So to dilate, press D. Okay, let's turn it off. Let's see. We'll dilate a bit more. So again press D. I'm using the same extent by 5. And there it is. There is a bit of noise. Let's change the transfer function so that we can remove the noise. So this is the interior, the muscles. Let me just change the transfer function here and let me dilate it a bit more for tag 1. Okay, and now let's shrink the transfer function so that it is clean. So this is the interior now, which is tagged 0, and this is the shell. Now if I turn off tag 0, then we will see what we have got here. So this is after dilation. So we have removed this region. And now this one we can tag via a different tag value. Say let's call it say 12, and then let's just fill it up. So if I now turn off the tag 1, this is what we have filled up, and then we can fill up these tiny pockets here and there. So in that way you can tag multiple regions. Let's change the transfer function slightly. That's it. So now you can extract these two distinct tagged regions. So there we have. So we have easily isolated the two regions here, the outer shell and the inner part of this organism. Okay, so that's for dilate and erode. That's how you can use dilate and erode and fill to tag the regions.